Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Begin by opening your settings on mobile. Scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on Apps. Tap on Manage Apps. Click on the search bar and type Messenger. Tap on it. Then you can find Uninstall at the bottom of your mobile screen. Tap Uninstall, and if you are sure, tap OK. And that is how you can uninstall Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.